Now today I have this iPhone 5S right here, and as you can see it has a cracked screen. So now I'm going to be replacing that with a black one. And that one would be in this box, and I need something to open the box, so I will just use some tweezers. How about that? Kind of almost works fully. Almost. Okay, that's sides. Do I have anything that would go faster? Yeah, well, let's try doing that. Oh yeah, that works a lot faster. Alright. So here's the display right here, alright. Now, this is turned off. Yes. Going to... Now this phone, I don't think it has ever actually been opened before. Yeah. Well, at least they're doing something right. They have Verizon. You know, I'd say Verizon is the best in the US, followed by AT&T. And pretty much everything else I've not had a good experience with. Alright. Let's undo that. Undo that. Alright, now it's time to unplug the battery. Alright. Let's see here. Now, let's unscrew the panel Apple always puts over their phones. It's quite interesting. Yeah, oh shit, dropped it, okay. You know something interesting? I used my first ATM, like, the other day. It's pretty fun. Even though I've had a debit card for, you know, a while. I've never used an ATM before that one time right there. It was pretty fun. Alright, this is a replacement display already. It's not a genuine Apple one. Alright. It's water damaged. But the water damage indicator right there. And yeah. Well, where's the other one? There should be another one, I don't see it. But the one on the logic board, it's not set off, but the one on the actual display is. So I don't know what's going on right there. Alright, let's get this new one. And I will transfer everything over off camera. So something that just happened is this black thing right there just completely snapped off when I took the screw out. So that I don't know what's up about that. Something I've never seen that actually happen before in all of the time I've been replacing iPhone displays and doing other repairs. And it's pretty fun. Now, previously I thought the phone has never been opened before, but I was definitely wrong about that. So right now I'm just getting the front camera off and all that good stuff. Alright. There you go. Now it's time to transfer everything over. So I was transferring this like plastic thing for the camera so it stays in place, and it was just set in there. There's not even any adhesive on this whatsoever. Now I just have to say I'm never actually meeting the person that owns this phone. Now what I believe is happening is their friend's friend got me this phone to repair. Like something crazy like that. Yeah. And that's why networking is important, because I wouldn't even get this job in the event those people didn't know each other. If that makes sense. Now, is everything... Alright, this needs to be a bit bent out. I will go do that real quick. Alright, got everything connected, it's turning on. That's a good sign. But let's see if it actually fits and everything. And then I'll go ahead and open it back up and put all the panels and stuff back in. Hey, it fits just fine. That's great. All right. Let's see. Let's just go ahead, make sure everything works. Yep. Actually, let's go to emergency. Okay. Seems to be working just fine. Great. Okay. Well, it's time to open it back up. Need a suction cup. It's turned off, yeah? No, it's not turned off. Probably... Actually, it doesn't really need to be turned off. But, you know, it should. Because I'm just putting screws in, really. Okay, I'm opening it up here. Now, I don't think this has been an entertaining video just yet. So you know what? Well, let me think of something to say, just anything. You know, I'll put the screws in and I'll get back to you on that. Alright, so I got everything on right now. Well, what I mean is, pentalobe screws, I almost forgot. Very important. Not really, but... So what I'm saying is I put everything together, and there you go. Now I'm thinking of buying the new Zelda game. I think it's called Breath of the Wild for the Nintendo Switch. And now the thing about that game is that I've never played any Zelda games previously. Like I have played, I think it's Ocarina of Time, or whatever is on the Nintendo 64 for like an hour, and then I just stopped because I didn't know what I was doing. And so what happened is I've never played any Zelda games since then. Yeah. Okay, let's put this case back on. Alright. And there you go. Boom. Alright. Now that looks pretty good to me. Okay. That's just great.